animals, grows fruits and vegetables. I'm so excited. Let's go, friends. We're here, friends, at Mr. McDonald's farm. Are you guys ready to go see some animals with Miss Destiny and with Mr. McDonald? Yeah? Me too. Let's go. My friends, we've arrived to our first animal. Do you guys see that animal right there? Do you guys see that animal rolling in the mud? That pink little animal rolling in the mud right there? Yeah? Do you guys know what animal that is? That's right, friends. You're so smart. That's a pig. Good job. Can you say pig with Miss Destiny? Pig. 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 Good job. Pig starts with the letter P. P is for pig. Good job. Do you guys know what sound a pig makes? Oink, 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 oink. Good job. Those silly little pink pigs right there, they say oink, 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 oink. Good job, friends. My friends, did you guys just hear that animal? Yeah, me too. Wait a minute, Miss Destiny just heard it again. Do you guys see that animal walking next to Miss Destiny? Yeah? What animal is that? It's a horse. That's right, friends. Good job. Can you say horse with Miss Destiny? Horse. 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 Good job. Horse starts with the letter H. H is for horse. Good job, friends. When the horse was walking next to Miss Destiny, do you remember what sound it made? Neigh. Good job. Let's say it together. Neigh. 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 Good job, friends. Hey. What is that over there? Are those cotton balls? No. Silly Miss Destiny. Those are not cotton balls. Do you know what animal that is? It's a sheep. That's right. Can we say sheep together? Sheep. 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 Good job, friends. You guys are so smart. Do you know what letter sheep starts with? S. S is for sheep. Good job. Do you guys know what sound sheep make? Yeah? They say ba, ba. Can you say ba with Miss Destiny? Bah! Good job, friends! Miss Destiny is so excited to go see our next animal. Let's go over here, friends, and let's go see our next animal. Do you guys see all the animals behind Miss Destiny? Yeah? What animal is that? It's a cow. That's right. Can you say cow? Cow. 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 Good job. Cow starts with the letter C. C is for cow. Good job, friends. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Yeah? Cows say moo. 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 Good job, friends. Oh, Miss Destiny is so hot and so tired after being at the farm for so long today. Miss Destiny is thirsty. I need a glass of milk. Let's ask Mr. McDonald if we can have a glass of milk. Hey, Mr. McDonald, I'm so thirsty. Can I please have a glass of milk?
Yes.
Mr. McDonald said yes. Thank you, Mr. McDonald. He got me a glass of milk. Now Miss Destiny is going to drink it. That is really good milk, friends. Thank you, Mr. McDonald, and thank you, cows. We're here, friends, at the front of the farm. I hope you had so much fun just like Miss Destiny did.